Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is May the 3rd and I am using my brand new pip trigger trading system. This system uses some moving averages on the top and momentum indicators down at the bottom here. Now these 4 indicators right here at the very bottom, they are the driving force for the super signal indicator. Every system I'm trading going into the future, I will be automatically adding the super signal indicator to it, and it automatically makes it a much better trading system. And you can certainly add this super signal indicator to your favorite trading system and it will make that a much better trading system. This super signal indicator comes in a package called Easy Trader. Does not come in the package called Pip Trigger. More information is found if you look right below this video. This super signal indicator really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. And it's also great for traders who love to scalp the markets, whether it be on the 15 or the 5-minute time frame. I do not go down to the 1 minute because there's just too much noise on the 1 minute time frame. Every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, prior to the New York Open, at this point the London market's open, which is this blue box. It goes all the way over here to 11 a.m. New York time. I am looking at all the different instruments here along with my daily trade plan. Now here is the daily trade plan running in real time. So obviously if it's blue, we're buying bullish, or if it's red, we're selling. And of course instruments that are preferred, it just means stronger probability of going either up and or down. You must have some kind of a daily trade plan. Doesn't have to be this one, but I came across many trading plans and this is the best one I came across. If you have any questions at all, just get in contact with me. Okay, now we can get into some of these trades. First one, the NASDAQ. Trader asked me, how do I get those little entries and exit points? Well, you just click on the pair you want to look at. And of course, if the chart you're looking at is not the one that you're clicking on, it'll change the chart. But anyhow, I don't want to change the chart because I have them all in proper order. Just left click, drag it up and drop. So this is where I got in at, and it took a while before it went in my favor. And I was expecting it to go further, but hey, the market's very random, and as long as I end up closing it out with some kind of a winner, that is all I care about. So with this NASDAQ, I took the money and divided it by 20 as it pays $20 for each pip, or tick I should say. Calculator says it's 4.5. 4.5. Well, you remove the last 2 digits, but it is 4.5. Let's just go with the 4 ticks, and that ended up paying out $90. Had to cut my trades a little bit on the shorter side today, as I had 2 traders trying to get in contact with me. But I'm sure if I wait long enough, I would have hit my 200 pips and ticks for today. But anyhow, most days I'm way over the 200, so today's just probably a little shy of that. So in the next trade, pound dollar, on this pound dollar, it does pay $10 for each pip because of the USD on the right hand side. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. And here's another one. If I was still in a trade, I'd be getting my way up over the 200. But anyhow, And here's the arrow from the daily trade plan. The charts look good for going up. Looking at the money, this should be 17 that I locked in. If I was in the trade right now, it would be 35. But there it is right there, 17 pips, and that paid out $170. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound New Zealand. Another one I wanted to be buying. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Drag and drop this up. Did a bit more of a pullback, but eventually it took off. Let's see how many pips I got on this trade, locking in about 30. Those 30 pips paid $193. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Today, these pound pairs were based on pound strength, and in real time, it still is at the top. At some of the points, it was hitting 80% or more, which qualifies it for what I call a bus driver. When I see that on the meter, I know it's going to go up. Well, if it's at the top here, of course. If the pound is at the bottom, then we're selling the pound pairs. Here we go. Let's see where I got in at. Did the pullback. If I exercise some patience, I teach in the training videos getting in around this area is better than here. But anyhow, it still is a winner no matter how you look at it. Looks like I locked in about 27. And those 27 pips paid out $205. Moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Here we go. This S&P 500 pays $5 for each tick. Wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. We've got sell signals all through here and here. So I took the money, divided it by 5. And the calculator says it should be 47.4. So let's see. And remember, the market's very random. That's why I love my daily trade plan. It's keeping me going in the proper direction. You have to have a daily trade plan. What did I say? 47.4. 47. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show. But we'll just round it out to 47, and that ended up paying out $237. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Now on this Dow Jones, same as the S&P 500, pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 5, and the calculator says 58. So let's drag and drop this up. Here we go. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Sell signals here and here. The charts are saying it's going to go down. It's a no-brainer. Take the trade. And what did I say? 58. 58. There it is right there. 58 ticks, and that ended up paying out $290. Moving right along to the last trade, crude oil. Looking at the money, and since it pays $10 on each tick, it should be 38. So running a check on the last trade, which is crude oil. This one is a very good looking chart setup for what I call a great way to trade. It definitely qualified. When I see charts like this, I'm minimum 95% sure I have a winner. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. If I was still in the trade, I'd be still making more. So I took the money. Oh, wait a second. Should be 38. 38, as it pays $10 for each tick. There it is right there. 38 ticks, and that paid out $380. So another great day of trading using my pip trigger. If your system's not producing, like my pip trigger, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I was very happy to see that I broke the 200, which is my daily goal when I'm trading. I ended up with 221 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying $1,566. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy, well, just Skype me. And when you buy from me, keep in mind I do give support. And without support, you will fail at trading. So all you got to do is look right below this video. And right below the video, you will see a button here that says Show More. You click on that. All you got to do is scroll down. And what I want you to do is you can either pick up the phone and call me, or you can send me an email. That information's further down. I really prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. Just click on this link. We'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I can answer your questions. There's 4 things you need to succeed. Very, very important. Keep in mind that there's 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. I recommend getting all 4 packages. And you have to buy, I do have a special offer that if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free, and you must buy the 2 packages at the same time. So here we go. Let's see, my pip trigger system, it does not include the super signal indicator. If you want that, it's in package, this one, the Easy Trader. And then of course, how I trade live. These package 1 and 2 has the most training videos, 22 and 20. And the 2 at the bottom just has 4 training videos each. So as I mentioned before, I take the super signal with all of the indicators that I need to make it work, and I put it on the next package, like whatever system I am trading the markets with, and it automatically makes it a much better trading system. And of course, just keep scrolling down, and I break down the different packages and what you get in each package. And of course, all my contact information is right here. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video, trading day, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.